Have you ever reached for a clove in your spice rack and wondered, is this tiny bud really that powerful? Well, buckle up, herbivores, because cloves are a nature's tiny warrior, packing a punch of flavor and potential health benefits. Welcome to Herbs and Harmony, your one-stop shop for exploring the wonderful world of herbs and spices. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cloves. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of cloves? Hit that subscribe button and join the Herbs and Harmony family for more herb explorations, healthy recipes, and natural remedy inspiration. Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree native to Indonesia. They are widely used as a spice in cuisines around the world and are known for their strong, warm, and sweet flavor. Cloves are also valued for their medicinal properties and are used in traditional medicine for various purposes, including dental care, digestive health, and as a natural remedy for coughs and colds. Benefits: antioxidant properties. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds in cloves, such as eugenol, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Digestive aid. Cloves are believed to aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing gas and bloating. Oral health. Cloves have been traditionally used for dental care due to their antibacterial properties. They can help alleviate toothaches, freshen breath, and reduce oral bacteria. Immune support. Some research suggests that cloves may have immune-boosting properties, potentially helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Pain relief. Clove oil or clove extracts are often used topically to relieve pain, particularly toothaches and muscle soreness. Respiratory health. Cloves are used in traditional medicine to relieve respiratory conditions like coughs and asthma, thanks to their expectorant properties. Blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for people with diabetes. It's important to note that while cloves offer potential health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Ways of use. Cloves have a wide range of uses, both culinary and non-culinary. Medicinal uses. Dental care. Cloves are renowned for their analgesic and antiseptic properties, making them useful for alleviating toothaches and promoting oral health. Clove oil or clove-infused water can be applied topically to soothe tooth pain and reduce inflammation. Digestive aid. Cloves can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing gastrointestinal discomfort such as gas, bloating, and indigestion. Clove tea or adding cloves to culinary dishes may help alleviate these symptoms. Respiratory health. Cloves are used in traditional medicine to relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and asthma. The expectorant properties of cloves can help loosen phlegm and ease breathing when consumed as a tea or inhaled through steam. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol, possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against oxidative stress-related damage. Culinary uses. Flavoring agent. Cloves are commonly used as a spice to add flavor and aroma to various dishes. They have a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter taste, which complements both sweet and savory dishes. Baking. Ground cloves are frequently used in baking, particularly in recipes for cakes, cookies, bread, and pastries. They add depth of flavor to desserts like pumpkin pie, gingerbread, and fruitcakes. Cooking. Whole cloves are often added to savory dishes such as soups, stews, sauces, and marinades. They infuse dishes with their distinctive flavor and aroma, enhancing the overall taste. Beverages. Cloves are used to flavor hot beverages like tea, mulled wine, cider, and chai. They provide a comforting warmth and spiciness to these drinks, especially during colder months. Aromatic and cosmetic uses. Aromatherapy. Clove essential oil is used in aromatherapy for its warm, spicy scent, which can promote relaxation, alleviate stress, and uplift mood. It is often diffused or added to massage oils and bath products. Fragrance. Whole cloves are sometimes used decoratively in potpourri, sachets, and homemade air fresheners to impart a natural, spicy fragrance to the environment. Pest control. Cloves have insect repellent properties and are sometimes used as a natural alternative to chemical pesticides. They can be placed in closets, pantries, or stored with clothing to deter moths and other pests. Overall, cloves are a versatile spice with a long history of culinary, medicinal, and aromatic uses, making them a valuable addition to any kitchen or home remedy arsenal. We hope this sparked your curiosity about cloves. For more herb discoveries, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring!